Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make cheesecake, New York style cheesecake. This video is highly requested. This is a spring pan. You cannot use the normal pan you usually use. It has to be this kind of pan. Here I have an 8-inch pan and I will be greasing it with my melted butter. This is the same butter in the recipe. I'm just going to take a little out of it to grease my pan. After that, I'm going to use a foil paper. In this case, I'm going to double this one. You don't have to do this because this foil paper is quite light in texture. If you have a thick textured foil, you can use it directly. You don't have to double it. So after that, I'm going to crush my digestive biscuits. Please note that the recipe would be in the description box. I'm going to crush it with a rolling pin and a Ziploc bag. You can use any nylon of your choice or any plastic bag. It should be finely crushed, or if you don't want to do this, you can use a blender for this. Now I'm going to pour in my butter to the crushed digestive biscuit. You can use graham cracker, but you have to add sugar to the recipe. But I don't want graham crackers. I like digestive as it is. You can use Oreos, you can use Lotus biscuit. There's no hard and fast rule to this. Just use what you like, what you would like to use, or what your taste bud would love. And if you do not want sugar, you can use just crackers, no sugar of any sort. I'm just going to press it down with a cup and take it to the oven to bake for 10 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius. These are the ingredients I'll be using for the purpose of this video. Here I have my cream cheese, my flour, my egg, sugar, yogurt, and whipping cream, full cream, double cream, whatever you call it. Here I have an empty bowl. I'm going to start the mixing process. I'm just going to add the cream cheese and the sugar together and start whisking. You can do this by hand, and you can also use a stand mixer for this, depending on your mood or what you have. So this goes so far to tell you that you do not need a stand mixer to make cheesecake. You're going to whisk this properly. You're going to ensure that the sugar is well incorporated. Here I have added my whipped cream, so I'm going to mix it properly. After mixing properly, you have this lush consistency. I'm going to scrape my edges and add the next ingredient, which is egg. Whisk it properly, then pour into your mixture. After mixing my egg, I'm going to pour in the next ingredient, which is yogurt. We have Greek yogurt in stock. Here is what our Greek yogurt look like. This is 1 liter. This is sweetened, and when you turn it upside down, it's so thick that it would not pour. That's how you know a good Greek yogurt. You can check the description box for the link on how to get it. For the purpose of this video, I'm using yogurt. This is not so thick like the Greek yogurt, but it's also thick and it is unsweetened. So it's very difficult to actually find sour cream here in Nigeria. So the alternative for that is yogurt, a thick yogurt. So this is what I'm using in this video. Now I'm going to pour in my flour. If you're finding it difficult to stir in your flour into your mixture, you can use a whisk to properly whisk it into it. I'm going to add my vanilla, and that's the end of it. There's nothing extra to this. It's really easy to make, so fast, so quick, and straightforward. Where the technicality comes in is the baking part of it, but the making of it is so easy and so simple. I'm just going to pour this onto my digestive biscuit that has baked and cooled for a while, and smoothing the top so that you don't have a rough top when you are done baking. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do that immediately. Like this video and share. Now I'm going to pop this into the oven to bake for 45 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius. So after that 45 minutes, when you are done baking, you turn off the oven and open it for 1 hour, just slightly open, and this is what the result would look like. Please don't be quick to open the string. You need to run your knife or your palette knife around the cake before you can comfortably pull it out. But if your pan is a non-stick pan, yes, you can go ahead and just do it and you'll be okay. This cheesecake is very yummy, delicious, very quick to make. It's not as complicated as people make it seem. If you want to make your cake higher than this, you can double this recipe. But if you just want to make it for your family and friends, it can be this height, it's okay. And you can make your graham cracker crust or your digestive biscuit crust to be fatter or bigger than mine is. So it's up to you what you like. I'm just going to slice this out and show you guys because I allowed it cool for 1 hour, I can slice almost immediately. It doesn't have to wait till the next day before you can actually eat it. So this is same day, 1 hour later, after it was in the oven resting with the oven door open. So I can slice it almost immediately without it even entering into the chiller or the freezer. Now I'm going to garnish with my strawberry filling. I have a video on how I made this strawberry filling. Please check the eye icon or the description box below. This is how beautiful it is. So yummy. Oh my god, you need to taste this. You can have variety, you can make varieties of cheesecake. You can have the Oreo cookies cheesecake, you can have the lemon blueberry cheesecake, you can have the okay, this is strawberry, or there are some that you just have to have strawberry inside of it. You can just go wild with your cheesecake. Just get your recipe right, get the rules right, and you will not get it wrong. And this cheesecake tasted really amazing. It tastes really amazing. You need to try it out. We also have this in stock. If you want to order it, just head right to our Instagram and you'd get it. Thank you guys for watching. Do have a lovely day. Bye bye for now.